Good morning, guys, and welcome back to another day and another vlog. Did you guys watch my last vlog? I just tried to vlog after so long, and let me know, did you like it? And today I am planning to film and finish all the basics of makeup and the basics of self grooming. So that whole series, I think I need to finish it by today. Are you following my self grooming series where I'm teaching how to do makeup, giving basic product knowledge and what products you can buy for your own self with color options, brand options, budget options? And yes, it will be easy, I think so, if you guys are following my self grooming series. Then I have a separate playlist for the same, so go and check it out. And yeah, let's see if I finish all of the series by today. And I'm also going to vlog today, so let's see how the day goes. This is my OOTD for the day, and I am going to film a video. So I've applied some lipstick, and the lipstick that I'm wearing today is Sugar, the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Rethink Pink. So this is the shade and it looks so good. So catch you guys after I am done shooting. All set to shoot my next video. It's going to be the basics of makeup and self grooming. It's going to be about the blush, the highlighter, the setting sprays, what are the products available, how to use it, what are my favorite products that I already use, and there will be few tips and tricks that I consider while doing makeup over the period of all these years. And I'm really loving this lipstick, by the way. Yeah, so I'm going to film that video, and it might come after this, or maybe it may come even before the vlog. So just stay updated, and yeah, let me catch you guys post shoot. So I just finished one video, that is how to apply blusher, and the thing is that the blusher part of the video only went so long, around 10 minutes or more. So I thought I need to divide blush, highlighter and setting sprays all differently. And yes, the blush video is already up. I've edited it and it's online, so you can check the blush video. And yeah, I still have to film some more videos, so see you guys soon. Just doing my post lunch Vajrasan and reading the script for my next video. So this is how I do post lunch. This is how my lipstick, this is how the lipstick looks. You can see it has come out. It is long lasting, but if you eat something, then there are chances that some of it may chap. And yeah, well, this is too bright for if I want to just keep it for the whole day on, and I feel like I need to remove this now. I'll quickly remove my lipstick and then get ready. So all these matte lipsticks make your lips really very dry, and at times these lipsticks are so pigmented that it leaves some part of pigment around the lips. You can see now. So if you are to apply lipstick a lot, maybe work reason or shoot reason or whatever, make sure you clean your makeup really very well, and you should apply some lip balm for extra care. So I like the Nivea one, and this feels so good after so many hours of having lipstick on the lips. As much fun it is to apply makeup, at times it's equally fun to remove the makeup because you feel more skin like. Well, I had not done any base, but for the video sake I had done a little bit of blush and while doing the video basically. And yeah, lipstick looks attractive when I apply while doing a video, but for a normal use this is the best. I'm going to do some workout, and skipping is my favorite form of workout. Like, you don't have to think much what you want to do. And yes, let's get started. Finished one round of skipping and I feel so tired. I will do the same repetition like at least thrice and slowly build up my energy. Okay. Uploaded 2 videos today, that is one the blush and the second one the highlighter. I thought of finishing the whole series, but there is so much to speak about and teach while doing a video that it took a lot of time in just shooting 2 videos, that is the blush and the highlighter. But I think the remaining parts, I think I'm going to club, like eye makeup and eyebrows and stuff, that I'm going to club. But blush highlighter was a single video. The next will be makeup setting spray, that will also be a single video. And yeah, there will be like 2 or 3 videos more at the max, and I think I should finish it off by tomorrow. So, have you done this ever? I love doing this. This gives a nice acupressure types points. The tips of your fingers. I'll keep it for like 2-3 minutes and then I'll just take it off. It's so relaxing. Just try, you guys. Behind the scenes while filming. Right now I'm using this to keep my phone for the support. Otherwise I did have one phone stand, but I have to buy one more. So look at the mess. So I have to arrange everything properly for my next video. So look at this. Since I am filming from my phone, I cannot show how much time I'm using on my phone actually. Otherwise, I watch a lot of YouTube videos, I do a lot of Instagram, and yeah, basically time pass. I don't use WhatsApp as much, but YouTube is my favorite place. I all the time keep on watching vlogs or something related to cooking or makeup, or yeah, YouTube is the maximum time where I spend my time, or Instagram. These 2 things I use a lot, so you guys might not see me using it as much. And music, I cannot live my life without music. I listen to music all the time. If I'm cooking or if I'm working or doing anything, music is there in the background. Or even if I'm editing, there is some kind of music going in the background. So yeah, I definitely use a lot of phone as well. But right now I'm filming through my phone, so you guys can't see how much phone I use. So that was a little update from my side. So that's it. I think I will end the vlog right here. So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. This is my second vlog after a long time. One was yesterday and the other one is today. So don't forget to like the video if you like it. Comment down below what you want to see next and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.